Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, Sadhguru speaks about a topic which is almost bother to all of us. We have at least once thought in our life, when a person dies, why he is loved suddenly. When he is alive, nobody tends to talk to him or nobody even really cares about him. They do all the minus things to him, but when he is dead, suddenly all will start loving him. So, why this happens? Sadhguru explains this in a beautiful manner. Please watch video till the end. So, let's get into the video.
When I was a kid, when he very supposed to be popular astrologer came home, and then he said, "ఈ అబ్బాయికి రాజయోగం ఉంది" అని. రాజయోగం
వాళ్ళు అందరికీ అదే చెప్తారా?
అదే చెప్తారండి. ఆ తర్వాత తెలుసు అందరికీ. ఇది తర్వాత ఎప్పుడు తెలిసింది? ఇది ఒకళ్ళిద్దరితో ఈ విషయం డిస్కస్ చేసిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళు కూడా చెప్తే అప్పుడు అర్థమైంది. సో అని చెప్పిన వెంటనే ఫస్ట్ మా వాళ్ళలో డౌట్ ఏంటంటే రాజయోగం అంటే ఏంటి అని అడిగారు. వీడు చస్తే వెనకాల 1,00,000 మంది వెళ్తారు అని. అప్పుడు నేను కొంచెం బాధపడ్డా. చస్తేనా? చచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎంతమంది వచ్చి లాభమే ఉంది, బతుకున్నప్పుడు కదా ఉండాల్సింది అని అనిపించింది. ఆ టాపిక్ అక్కడ వదిలేశాను. బట్ దెన్ యాజ్ ఐ గ్రో, వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ జనరలీ ఇన్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ, అవుట్ సైడ్, ఎవ్రీవేర్, నిజంగానే చస్తే మంచోడైపోతాడు ప్రతివాడు. ఎందుకు అయిపోతాడో నాకు తెలియదు. Every time a politician or an actor or somebody in general also outside, somebody dies and then they have such good things to talk about them. Everybody says he's a friend, he's such a good guy. And sometimes I keep wondering, I wish these guys came back into life and they heard all this and went back to die again. So why is this happening? Because అందరికీ ఒక సడన్గా ఒక మంచి వచ్చేస్తుంది, అంతా చాలా మంచి. ఎంత మంచి యాక్టర్ అంటారు, వాడు సినిమా రిలీజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఎవరో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, చచ్చిపోయినప్పుడు అంటారు. సో వై, వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్?
చచ్చిపోయిన వాడు ఏదైనా తప్పు చేసినాడా ఇదివరకు? చచ్చిపోయిన వాడు ఏదైనా తప్పు చేశాడా?
చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు చాలా మంది, వాళ్ళకి కూడా చాలా పొగడ్తలు చూశాను. చచ్చిపోయిన తర్వాత లేదు.
అందుకే
లేదంటే దేవని తిరిగి వస్తాడని భయం.
తెలుగు దే డిడ్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడారు కదా, ఒకసారి ఆయన తెలుగుకి.
People appreciate the dead, rightfully so, because no dead man has ever harmed anybody. No dead man has done anything wrong ever, except that he smells if you don't treat him well. That's the only thing. You have to… he demands attention, that you quickly dispose him. Otherwise, he will make your life miserable. That's the only thing. Otherwise, he's not done anything wrong. So people naturally praise a dead man. Having said that, it is also a civilizational aspect, a human aspect, that it doesn't matter when you're alive, we may be running the same race, we may be fighting, we may be elbowing each other, struggling, looking at all negativities at each other. But when mortality happens, when death happens, we keep all those differences aside and we bow down and say, whatever was good about you, they may talk about it, nothing wrong with that. It's good. Everywhere in the world, no matter which culture it is, when somebody dies, very few people on the planet are so crude, they will also disrespect the dead body. They will kick it around, they will do horrible things to it, all this. Otherwise, most human beings on this planet, even if they fight war and they themselves kill them, once they die, they bow down. Because you bow down to mortal nature of who we are. We know he may be dead, I may be standing, but it's just a question of time. It's just a question of time. Apart from that, respecting the dead is not necessarily exaggeration. In every human being, there are pluses and minuses. Because both of you are running the same race, I highlighted your minuses all my life to put you down, because I want to win the race. But I'm sorry, I don't want to use that word with you, somebody died. Now you talk about their pluses, because pluses were also there.
There. We haven't spoke about.
We haven't spoken about it. If now also if you do not speak, even then you want to speak minuses, I think that will be very crude. At least when somebody is dead, if you have nothing plus to say, you become silent. Otherwise, the pluses that you did not say all these years, at least then you must say.
I wish they said before, but that doesn't happen.
That is true. I wish they had said it all their life, that's a different matter.
Yeah.
But life doesn't happen like that. Life is such that everything that you want, somebody else also wants. There are so many things. There are so many dynamics of life. Not everybody is living in that level of maturity. Even if what I want somebody takes, I can be joyful and be here. Not everybody is made like that. So they highlighted the minuses because of the frictions. But once a person dies, this is not the time to talk minuses. You highlight the pluses. But there are fools who are just exaggerating everything, that's a different matter. But this is a basic human decency towards each other.
If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care.